Hi, Dr. Bara speaking. I am 22 hours in my 3 days water fast, which means for 3 days continuously, I'm just gonna consume water and nothing else. And why am I doing this? So number one, we usually everyone, we overeat ourselves, and continuously eating keeps a high insulin level, which makes us kind of overweight and causes us insulin resistance. So I would like to give a break to my system, lower my insulin level, but my number one goal with this is autophagy. Autophagy means, and unfortunately it kicks in only around the second, third day, when my body starts to break down the clutter, which is the non-working, dead, non-functional protein in my cells. And this protein kind of causes a chronic inflammation, and it's just a good thing to get rid of it. So I'm 22 hours in, and I'm still not in ketosis. So first I burned through my glucose, and probably now I'm consuming my glycogen reserves. And with this gym session, probably I'm gonna kick myself into ketosis. And before ketosis, there is a little bit of muscle loss, because it's called gluconeogenesis, when the system turns your muscle or burns your muscle into glucose. And initially I wanted to prevent this, and I wanted to do this 3 days fast with consuming protein. But I figured out from the medical literature, if you eat protein during a fast, autophagy won't happen. So I'm feeling absolutely well, not hungry at all. The only thing I'm missing is the habit of eating, and the joy of eating, but I'm feeling absolutely well. And I'm gonna have my ice bath later today. I'm gonna check in from there as well. So, and one more thing, when I listen to these podcasts about the benefits of intermittent fasting, these pundits keep saying that one of them is ketosis. And I can tell you that there is no ketosis in intermittent fasting. So I'm 22 hours in, and not only traces of ketone bodies. So you cannot get into ketosis with intermittent fasting. And the only benefit of intermittent fasting is the calorie that you don't consume. It has no other benefits. So if you are healthy, and this is another medical advice, of course, if you are healthy and you are not on any medication, you need to make a longer fast, not intermittent fasting. And another opinion is the problem with intermittent fasting is it compromises your protein intake, and our number one asset, considering longevity and health span, is our muscle mass. So the stronger we are, the longer we live. And this is the reason why I'm in the gym right now. So that's it. 22 hours in, feeling good, having a gym session, ice bath later during the afternoon. But I will keep you posted how it's going on. And if you have done a water fast before and you have any advice to give me, please get in touch. Thank you for watching. See you later.